Nuts have quietly earned a place among the most powerful longevity foods, and the more researchers study them, the more extraordinary their benefits appear. A simple handful of almonds, walnuts, pistachios, or mixed nuts each day can influence the body's biology in ways that go far beyond basic nutrition. What makes nuts so remarkable is the combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds that work together in harmony. Instead of offering a single benefit, nuts support nearly every system involved in aging: the cardiovascular system, metabolic health, brain function, cellular repair, and immune resilience. This broad, multi-layered support is one reason why nut consumption is consistently linked with longer lifespan and lower rates of chronic disease. The idea that something so small and delicious could help extend life is not an exaggeration. It is one of the best documented findings in modern nutritional science. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios each bring their own distinct advantages. Almonds, rich in vitamin E and monounsaturated fats, act like internal shields that protect cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin E is one of the most potent fat-soluble antioxidants, crucial for defending cell membranes from damage. This protective effect matters deeply when it comes to longevity because oxidative damage is one of the central drivers of aging. Walnuts, on the other hand, are unique among nuts for their high content of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3s help regulate inflammation, support the brain, and improve blood vessel function. Pistachios contribute powerful antioxidants such as lutein and anthocyanins, along with arginine, an amino acid that helps improve blood flow by boosting nitric oxide production. Together, these nuts create a nutritional triad that targets inflammation, oxidative stress, and vascular health, three of the most important factors that determine how gracefully the body ages. Longevity is closely tied to inflammation control, and nuts excel in this area. Chronic, low-grade inflammation slows healing, damages tissues, accelerates plaque buildup in arteries, and disrupts metabolic function. Daily nut consumption reduces markers of inflammation such as C-reactive protein, helping the body stay in a calmer, healthier state. This is partly due to their blend of healthy fats, especially monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which help regulate inflammatory pathways. When the body experiences less inflammation, it expends fewer resources repairing damage and more resources on maintaining vitality, immune function, and metabolic stability. This calm internal environment is one of the major reasons why nut eaters tend to live longer and stay healthier into old age. Another pathway through which nuts promote longevity is their positive impact on cardiovascular health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of early mortality worldwide, but nut consumption consistently lowers the risk. Their combination of fiber, antioxidants, magnesium, and healthy fats improves cholesterol balance, reduces LDL oxidation, supports flexible blood vessels, and stabilizes blood pressure. LDL oxidation is particularly important because oxidized LDL is the form most likely to accumulate in artery walls and trigger plaque formation. The antioxidants in nuts, especially tocopherols, polyphenol, and carotenoids, help prevent this oxidation, keeping arteries clearer and more resilient. Every handful of nuts becomes a daily investment in smoother blood flow, stronger vessel walls, and a healthier heart. Nuts also support longevity through their effects on blood sugar and metabolic health. Regular nut eaters often show improved insulin sensitivity and lower risk of type 2 diabetes. This is partly thanks to the combination of fiber, healthy fats, and plant compounds that slow digestion and help the body maintain stable glucose levels. Since metabolic instability accelerates aging and contributes to many chronic diseases, the stabilizing effect of nuts offers long-term protection. Their fiber also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthier microbiome, and emerging research suggests that gut health plays a major role in immune function, mood, inflammation, and even cognitive longevity. Cognitive health is another area where nuts shine. Walnuts, in particular, contain antioxidants that protect neurons from oxidative damage, while their omega-3s support synaptic function. Studies show that regular nut consumption is associated with better memory, sharper processing speed, and a lower risk of cognitive decline. The brain ages slowly and quietly, and the nutrients in nuts help keep it nourished and protected over decades, supporting clearer thinking and healthier aging. Beyond their biological effects, nuts offer one more advantage. They are an incredibly practical longevity food. They require no preparation, fit easily into any eating style, and provide satiety that helps prevent overeating. Just a small handful, around 25 to 30 grams, brings an impressive concentration of nutrients without excess calories. People who eat nuts daily often naturally maintain a healthier body weight, which further supports longevity and reduces the burden on joints, hormones, and the cardiovascular system. What makes nuts especially compelling is how consistently their benefits show up across studies involving millions of participants from different continents and lifestyles. The pattern is clear. Individuals who eat nuts regularly live longer, experience less chronic disease, and maintain better health as they age. This makes nuts one of the simplest and most enjoyable longevity strategies available. With each handful, you deliver protective compounds that support your heart, nourish your brain, calm inflammation, stabilize metabolism, and strengthen the body's defenses at the cellular level. It is rare to find a single food that influences so many pathways related to aging, yet nuts manage to do exactly that.